10 Home Remedies for Glowing Skin. Since your skin is your largest organ, you should take good care of it. Generally speaking, glowing skin is regarded as a sign of health and vigor. On the other side, having dull or dry skin might make you feel less than your best. Here are 10 items and lifestyle modifications you may add to your beauty and skincare regimen. What's best? Most likely, you already have everything you require in your kitchen, medicine closet, or pantry. 1. Using pure coconut oil, soothe the skin. Coconut oil provides therapeutic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties-reliable source. But not all skin types will respond well to coconut oil use on the face. If you have a coconut allergy, avoid using. It can be applied in a variety of ways if you can do so without becoming uncomfortable. Coconut oil has the following uses. Take off makeup. Soothe your skin barrier. Promote dewy-looking skin that's healthy below the surface layer. Coconut oil is a good moisturizer, according to research from a reliable source. Try applying a little coconut oil to your face and massage it in. Before washing it off with your regular cleanser, let it sit for a few minutes. 2. Use aloe vera to keep skin strong and healthy. Aloe vera can promote the formation of new cells and has therapeutic effects. Additionally, it hydrates and calms without clogging pores. Using aloe vera each day after washing your face could give your skin that radiant health. Aloe vera can cause allergic reactions. It should be safe to use if you test it first by applying a little amount to your forearm and waiting 24 hours. 3. Moisturize properly after washing your face. To foster a bright, young appearance, moisturize your skin with products that seal in moisture, support healing, and have antioxidant effects. If your face feels oily, don't skip the moisturizer. Also, avoid exfoliating your skin when it feels dry. When your skin is still damp from a shower or after washing your face, moisturize it. Instead of making your face feel smoother on the surface, this will trap in additional moisture. 4. Wear sunscreen daily. Skin cancer can be averted by using sunscreen with an SPF of 15 or higher. By protecting your skin from damaging UV rays, you can prevent photoaging, a skin aging process. Every morning, especially on days when it's raining or the sky is overcast, make sure to use a sunscreen product. 5. Find a cleansing routine that works. By washing it too frequently, you risk dehydrating your skin and encouraging your pores to generate excessive amounts of additional oil to make up for the moisture loss. The ideal times to wash your face are usually right before night, after you've worked up a sweat, and first thing in the morning. 6. Avoid smoke and secondhand smoke. You cover your face with a variety of chemical poisons when you expose your skin to cigarette smoke. Your skin cells will experience more oxidative stress as a result, prematurely aging your skin. If you smoke, consider your skin as another reason to quit. 7. Drink more water. The cells that make up your skin require water to operate properly. Although additional research is needed to determine the relationship between drinking water and having healthy skin, at least one 2015 study-trusted source came to the same conclusion. Aim for at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day. 8. Eat to nourish your skin. The amount of vitamins and antioxidants in your body will increase if you eat a diet high in fruits and vegetables. The Mayo Clinic claims that eating wholesome fats like fish oils and avoiding processed meals may be directly related to having skin that looks healthier. 9. Take probiotics. Probiotic supplements may boost your immune system, improve your digestion, Reduce bloating and inflammation in your digestive tract. In accordance with a 2014 study, according to a reliable source, probiotics can also help with healthy skin, hair, and nails. 10. Shorten your shower. Heat and steam can open pores and aid in toxin removal. However, using hot water on your skin for longer than a few minutes at a time might strip it of its natural oils, making it look drab and worn out. Avoid exposing your skin to hot water as much as possible. To increase circulation and give your face a more toned and young appearance, you might also think about lowering the shower's temperature at the end. This might even strengthen your immune system as an added bonus. The lesson: skin that clearly glows might result from self-care practices, including paying attention to your skin. Sometimes it can be more difficult to achieve glowing skin due to stress, nutritional inadequacies, hormonal imbalances, and other health issues. If your skin's appearance worries you, consult a dermatologist or your primary care physician. Skin that is dull, dry, flaky, or patchy may indicate underlying medical issues. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.